Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So today's video is about the top 6 books that has helped me to recover from my low phases that I was going through in the past 1.5 years. From the previous video, you know that. So I was never a book reader. So when I was depressed, I started watching motivational videos and everyone recommended to read books. As I was never a reader, so I was a little, no, I will not do, because I always thought that reading books is the most boring thing one can do in a life. So I saw many videos and then I thought, okay, let's give it a try, let's see how it goes. And when I started reading, you will not believe it, totally changed my life. These books are like magic in my life. So without any blabbering, I will tell you which are the top 6 books that has helped me. So let's get started. So the first book is Robin Sharma's The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This book was lying in my house for, for years and years. But then I thought, okay, let's start with the one I have in my house. So I started, and it literally gave me such a shock that this book literally taught me that wealth is not everything that one needs in his or her life. There are many other things which we miss out. So wealth is definitely not the one thing which can make anyone happy or healthy, anything. So this is my first book. Second on the list, I have this Good Wise, Good Life by Vex King. And I never believed in self-love, ever, never ever. But this book right here taught me what self-love is, and that self-love is not a bad idea. This is one of the best idea one can have and one can apply in his or her life. So self-love, I got to know from this book. I love this book. From the whole pile of these 6 books, this is always gonna be the favorite one. So this is my second one. Third one, I have this one, Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das. There are many days in my life where I start my day by watching his video. I love the facts that he tells, how simple life can be. So as the title suggests, Life's Amazing Secrets, yes, in this book he tells all that small secrets of our life that we sometimes miss out, that we really miss out in life and which we shouldn't be missing. So this book really taught me those small things which we need to enjoy. From this book I got about this. So this is also one of my favorite. That's why it's in the top 6 recommendation for you guys. Now for the fourth one, I have this one, Dear Stranger, I Know How You Feel by Ashish Bagreja. So there are many times in life where you feel like talking to someone, but actually you don't have anyone to talk about all these low phases in your life. So I think at that time this came handy for me, because it's literally like letters. Someone has written you some letters. So for each and every emotion there is a letter by the author. So this feels like so close, that someone close is talking to me. So this is really helpful when you are sad and you want to communicate with anyone who understands your feelings. So this really helped me. The fifth one, I have this book, Ikigai. Many of you know about this. So how did this help me? This really helped me to see what my personal ikigai is how to be calm in life. This book is about the people of the Japan, their lifestyle, how they lead their life, how with small things only, small quantity of food, small things only, they are happy, they are calm in their life. So this book really taught me to be calm and at peace, which I'm not at sometimes mentally. So this really helped me to find my personal ikigai and to stay calm. So this is for the 5th book. Now for the 6th and the last book, I have this. You Are a Badass, How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life by Jen Sincero. So I recently finished this book in this quarantine lockdown period, and I kid you not, this was the only thing that happened good to me in this whole lockdown situation. So this really helped me. I would rather say this really helped me to survive this total lockdown situation. I really sometimes doubted myself, my abilities, many things, and this book is like a total boost to me, literally a kick at my back that no, you can do what you want to do. So follow what you want. So this book is really has helped me to improve my life and to be boosted, energetic. So this is the last and the 6th book in about my top 6. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys have liked the video, and if you have liked, so please don't forget to hit the like button and comment down how much you love and which book if from this 6 books, if you have read any one of them, so let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Never forget that, it's for free. So don't forget to subscribe and press that bell notification button beside it, so that every time I upload a video you get the notification that a new video is up and you will come to watch me. Also don't forget to share. Don't forget to share my videos and follow me on my Instagram. The handle will be somewhere over here. So there I post many personal updates or many funny things I do there. So don't forget to follow me there also. So for today, bye bye.